Hey, what's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video. So I wanted you to see the video quality still in 2024 at 4K 50 frames per second using the external mics on the DJI Osmo Pocket 1. So guys, this is 6-year-old technology. So I went up on the roof today. I'm going to share a little bit of that with you all and answer some questions that were left behind about this device. All right, let's get this video started. All right, guys, so this is the natural way it looks. This is natural color. I haven't color graded anything. I haven't used stabilization on anything. So if you decide to buy the original Pocket 1 from 2018, this is what you're gonna get. So I do personally like the colors. I'm gonna walk and move the gimbal up and down because I do have the extra accessories so you guys can see, but this actually looks just like it is up there. So the first question was, how stable is it walking? And using it as a B cam, you can judge for yourself. To me, it looks absolutely fine. The only way you can tell the difference is by doing a side-by-side comparison. And then you would see with the Pocket 3, because this is what this is compared to a lot now, the Pocket 3. Dynamic range is way better on the Pocket 3, and colors are a little bit better as well. It has better color science on the Pocket 3. But if you're not doing a side-by-side and you're using this camera as just B-roll, kind of like well, this is my A-roll right now, but B-roll, and you see me walking and you see how stable it is, right? And I'm not walking, slow. I'm just walking normal, which you're gonna have that little bounce, but it's absolutely fine, right? If you were to put it in Decine-like and add color to it, you can make it a lot better, but this is the way it looks. Now, the second question when it comes to photos. I took a couple photos here and you can see this is a 12 megapixel camera. So photos are absolutely fine. I mean, you're not gonna get the same quality you would on cell phones, but in a pinch, this works absolutely fine. So this is the case that I use it in. I'm giving you guys some other shots of that case that I have it in because I have that Bluetooth piece that goes with it at the bottom. So that case is going to be a lot larger, but this is a very small camera, very usable. It's much smaller than the Pocket 3. That was another question. How big is it compared to the Pocket 3? Much smaller, much slimmer. Now, when it comes to battery life, that's going to depend on the user. Okay, I do a lot of small, projects, short clips, and I don't use this camera all the time, being completely honest. I don't. That's probably why my battery life is still great, but I barely use this thing. After the 6 years that I've had it, I normally break it out to like do some overhead shots, or if I think about it, I'll take it with me to shoot outside the car, or maybe hand it to someone so they can film and then get the footage and send it to them later. But honestly, I barely use it. But this thing does work great. Now, for you bloggers out there, you'll be able to stretch it out like this and film yourself. You can put that wide angle adapter on it, which is magnetic, and it'll work fine. But for me, guys, overall, this is still a great camera for 2024, especially for beginners. If you are a beginner and you're looking for a camera under $200, I don't know what they're selling on Amazon lately because I haven't looked, but this is a perfect starter camera for anyone thinking about doing it for YouTube. Okay, guys? Hey, so with that being said, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.